Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you are all very well. And how about your parents and family members? Yeah, superb. They are also good. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I am great, dears. Yeah, yeah. This is after finishing your FA4 exam. Okay, so myself, Ante Rosita. Today we are going to discuss and learn about computer science go through session for FA4 exam. Okay, yeah, I hope you are all did your exam very well, but somebody's did some mistakes in this exam. Okay, so that's why this is the purpose to make this video. Okay, so after finishing exam, if you don't bother about that means you can't do anything. Okay, so please watch this videos very carefully. So this is useful to rectify your mistake for the exam. Okay, so after seeing the video you have to see the question paper again and you have to write the answers again. Okay, so be careful to see and watch this video. So please watch this video very carefully till the end. Okay, yes, before starting this session let us do one interesting game. Yeah, I see the picture. Can you guess what's that game? Yeah, okay, yes. Yeah, I hope you catch this. So that is tongue twister. Okay, so this is very useful to development our pronunciation skills. Okay, if we speak in English, definitely the pronunciation will be good. So um, this is make sure our stylish and the skills of English, the language. Okay, so please be practice in yourself in a proper manner. Yeah, I want to try one time. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me try. Okay, how many snacks could a snack stacker stack if a snack stacker stacked snacks? Yes, yeah, without any mistake and without any struggle, I can read it in a first time. Yeah, this is make sure our concentration level also. Yeah, we just see the words, each and every words we have to see in a clearly and concentrate. Okay, so after practicing, you have to do in a proper manner. Okay, dears? Yeah, let us start this session. So this is a first question. Answer the following question like multiple choice questions. Okay, so see, dash based graphic is based on sketching, drawing different elements. So that is option A animation, option B text, option C video, option D vector. So the answer is vector. Okay, so this vector is using a graphic like sketching, drawing, like using a different elements we have to make it. Okay, so second question is which one is used to create by consecutive of images of static elements? Option A text, option B video, option C animation, option D audio. Using a text, this is not interesting, we can read only. Okay, so then video means this is very natural, so we won't give any creativity to here in the video. Okay, then audio means we can hear only the voice, not for visuals. Okay, so when we do the animation to this to that at any videos, so this is very interesting to see the videos. Okay, if we walking on at any floor or road means this is very natural. Okay, but if the dog like using animation, we have to make some different types of using a creativity, different types of animals. So this is when we see these kind of characters, this is very interesting to see that, so it will be attractive. So the animation is create by the consecutive of images of elements, static elements. Okay, so see the third one. OpenGL stands for option A, Open Fluorocarbon, option B, Open Graphic Library, option C, one Fluorocarbon, option D, one graphic library. So which one is correct? OpenGL. So Open Graphics Library. Yeah, okay dears. Fourth one is the first virus of the computer is dash. Option A, creeper, option B, worm, option C, Trojan horses, option D, boot infectors. That is creeper. Okay. So then the final one is computer worm is a dash type. Option A, hardware, option B, program, option C, malware, option D, virus. So that is this is not a hardware, this is not a programming type, this is not a virus. Okay, so the answer is malware. See, and the second Roman letter is answer the following questions, write the symptoms of virus attack. This is 2-mark questions. So whatever we have to, we ask, you have to write what you understand from that topic. Okay dears. Yes, see, the following are a few symptoms that your computer might have a virus. C, slow response and slow program execution, random hard drive crashes and restarts, distorted graphic and text, files that have mysteriously vanished, PC speaker beeps periodically, inability to open files with existing password. Okay, so see, if we affected by any virus or any disease, we can get some tiredness. So at the time we can't do any work in a briskly. Okay, so we feel very tired. So we do the work very slowly. So like this same, the computer or a laptop or a mobile phone will be affected by the virus. Definitely it has some tiredness. So that's why it wants to do the work like slowly. Okay, so sometimes if the virus will be affected, so after that some of the files were missed. Okay, so we don't know, we just save this that at any file. So after that the file will be vanished. Okay, so these are called the symptoms of a virus. So then mention the root of the virus attack. Which are the ways to affect the virus? So this is called a root. That is email, then infected pen drive and CDs, then downloading infected files, starting an infected applications. See, if we send the email at lots of mail IDs, so we should make sure before sending the email ID that is right or wrong. Okay, somebody is using in each and every email ID having some .coms, sometimes it can some .nick.com. So like different kind of mail IDs are there. Okay, so be careful to check out before sending the mail IDs. Okay, so then infected pen drive and CDs. Yeah, someone is using a pen drive or CD, so it will be get some virus affection. So after that, if we use these kind of pen drives into our mobile phone or laptop or system, means definitely it will be restored in our systems. So then it will be affected for our computers. Okay, so if you make sure your system having the antivirus system, definitely it will be cancelled and destroy the viruses. So after scanning only it can be visible to our systems. Okay, so if then downloading infected files. Yes, if we want to download at any picture like a movie or some videos, we can get some sometimes the link will be visible on some insects, like insects like green color or orange. So these kind of pictures or icons is mentioned that the virus. Okay, so be careful when you are download at any images, videos or movie. Okay, so whatever. Then mention safety measures for virus. Run a secure operating system like Unix. Buy virus protection software and install in PCs. PC means nothing but that is personal computer. Then avoid program from unknown sources. Then use commercial software. Then Microsoft application macro virus protection should be enabled. Then never download unknown email attachment. Block receiving and sending executable codes. Solution is antivirus software. Okay, so these are having the safety measures, how our human body after affecting the virus or at any disease, how we can protect ourselves. Yeah, we have to take some injections or tablets, some food. Okay, so this is safety measures. So see the picture, this is called a safety measures for virus for our computer. Then write the types of multimedia, that is interactive multimedia, then non-interactive multimedia. The interactive means like using a password system to our voice. Okay, so if we give any audio, then only it can make work, it can be work. Okay, so this is called interactive multimedia. Non-interactive mean we just simply sitting and see at any visual. So this is called a non-interactive multimedia. Okay, so see, mention the storage devices. Yeah, we know very well what is the storage devices. For example, here I gave some examples like a memory card, SD card, and a floppy disk, hard disk, CD, pen drive, some USB. So these kind of ways. So here I just split it into three types: optical, that is CD, DVD, Blu-ray. Okay, so then magnetic, hard disk and floppy disk. Then flash memory means USB, memory card and SD card. Okay, so these are all called storage devices. Okay dears, yes, let us see how we can protect the computer virus from the computer, how we can protect the computer from the computer virus. Okay, use a high quality antivirus program and be sure to update it regularly. Use it to scan any files, programs, software or diskettes, even new software from commercial company before you use them on your computer. Okay, so we have to use lots of application in our mobile phone. So you in these kind of applications can make some unnecessary virus systems. Okay, so we have to make sure our antivirus system is high quality. Okay, so after that regularly we want to update it. Okay, because each and every application having some different kind of ways, conditions also. Okay, so before checking only we have to accept that. If we want to download at any application means definitely it can ask some acceptance. Okay, so it gave Denny the one option. The second option is accept or agree, then continue, next. So these kind of options it will be asked. Okay, so then we should make sure the conditions are good or bad, but no one can read out that. Okay, so before after checking only we have to using some applications. Okay, so then make backup copies of important documents or files and store them on separate disk. Making backup will also protect our information against accidental file deletion, diskette failure and other damage. Okay, So if we having some lots of images or files means we should splitted by the some individual documents. Okay, so then only we have to find out which document. So this is used to avoid the unfortunately deletion file, so diskette failed, so some other damage. So we have to avoid these kind of ways. Whenever you're using a computer in a campus lab, be sure to reboot or run cleanup before you start your session and log out when you end your session. Yeah, if we open our laptop, we don't use a we don't used to we don't used to the application in first. We should do the refresh, then only we have to using a any applications. Okay, so after finishing, we have to refresh and we have to clean up that. Okay, so before log out, you have to clean up or reboot your system, so it will be used to avoid the virus affection. Okay, so then do not share commercial software with anyone. It is a violation of copyright laws and it is a way to spread viruses. Yeah, sometimes we have to using our hotspot password to others. Okay, so definitely it wants to make unnecessary virus affection, so please avoid to give a password to others. Okay, so then always scan your diskettes and files after using them on another computer. Okay, so we should do the scanning work in our mobile phone, laptop or system. Okay, so then only it can reduce the virus affection. Okay, then always scan all files you download from the internet. Yeah, for example Excel or MS Word, if we open this kind of application, we have to, if we open this means it will be take some times. So if we scanning these kind of files means we have to avoid the virus affection. Okay, then explain the elements of multimedia. See, first one is text, then images, audio, video, graphics and animation. Okay, so these are all called the elements of multimedia. So see the text is the basis for word processing programs and is still the fundamental information used in many multimedia programs. Okay, so sometimes some video having these kind of options. Okay, so the what's that means, it having some captures. The video is going on, they are speaking also, they are speaking, but the capture like English, the captures are visible there. So this is one of the major animation using a text. Okay, so see the audio, a multimedia application may require the use of speech, music and sound effect. These are all called the audio or the sound element. There are two basic type of audio or sound, analog and digital audio. So see the if we hear the audio means audio, we have to make the speech some voices. Okay, using a voices and music, some sound effect, then only it can give some interesting. Okay, so this is called a sound element or audio or a sound element. So the audio audio element having two types, basic two types. The first one is analog, second one is digital audio. Okay, so see the next one, that is video. Okay, so see a recording of moving visual images made digitally or on videotape. Yeah, the hearing voice is a limited one, but the video is the limited one means that is we can't hear more long time. Okay, so it will be not apt for our mind game. Okay, so then uh, using a video we have to make sure our interesting. Okay, so if the sound is more, compare between the sound and the video is more powerful to understand everything. That's why each and every school have planned to make and to provide the video classes. Okay, so see, the video is very powerful to understand everything. So a recording of moving visual images made digitally or on videotape. Okay, so then graphics make the multimedia application attractive. They help to illustrate ideas through still pictures. There are two types of graphic used, that is bitmap paint graphics and vector, that is draw graphics. Okay, so using these kind of graphics, so in if we take any video it will be having some graphics, so then only it will be clear. Okay, so then animation is a process of making a static image looks like it's moving. In multimedia, digital animation is used. Digital animation can be categorized into two broad areas, that is 2D and 3D animations. Okay, so using animation, yeah, and you have to see the Motu Badlu and some the Ching Chang, then Dora Buji. So using these kind of pictures is these characters are not real. uh, so this is look made by the animation. Okay, only for the animation, then only it can be looks like one character. Okay, so if we take at any picture it having some animation means this is called a creativity. So the long nose, long big belly, big stomach, short head. So these kind of animation also will be used here till now also. Okay, so day by day the animation works will be increased. So in your future, if you want to become a better animation user using a creativity. Okay, yeah, may I wish to God to yours all of you. So using this computer system you have to make achieve anything. Okay dears, yeah, thank you so much dears. Yeah, you may yeah, you spend your golden time, you spend your precious time to see this video. Okay, so thank you so much, stay safe, be happy forever. Bye bye.